Wanted to mention before we get started on the charts that I will be starting my live streaming on NinjaTrader this coming up Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So please subscribe to their YouTube channel and join me for my first day. Always good to have my Strat family with me. So would love to see you guys there. All right, so let's get into these charts. What's happening? I posted a market outlook video for March before March started. And if you guys recall, we were talking about being short if we were below last month's lows. We have been, and things are playing out as expected. So let us get into the charts. So whenever we opened this month, we knew we had a 3-2 up. We were looking for the 2 down. Now, what I have is the quarterly chart on the left, monthly, weekly, daily. So starting at the higher time frames, we always mark our levels, right? So we knew that a potential outside quarter was very possible. And knowing what we know about outside bars, we knew that if this month triggered the 322, we would go outside quarter, which we have done. We've taken out 1, 2, 3 monthly levels so far. And we are red on the quarterly, the monthly, the weekly. We did have a little corrective activity on Friday. This was the first 2 up day since back here, which I'm pretty sure I can do a date range. So we've been, let's see, straight down for 7 trading days without any corrective activity. So I'm seeing a lot of posts on Twitter and YouTube talking about, is this the bottom? Likely not, but we will play what we see. I'd really like us to take out this major target down here, 539.44. We do have sort of a lot of hammer weeks setting up, and we are at some level of exhaustion, meaning we took out this pivot low, this pivot low, this pivot low. So we have taken out 3 pivot lows. We can attempt to take the week to the upside, but it's kind of unlikely that we're going to be able to change anything on the higher time frames. So, because that's the monthly open up here last week's or 2 weeks ago, the candle open. So I would honestly prefer, if we do trigger to the upside, I would prefer, let me draw. So if we do trigger the week to the upside, I would honestly prefer a 2 back down and going outside week and then hitting that 539 target, just because all the higher time frames are red. Okay, let's go to the Qs. Same thing, outside quarter, the 3-2 continuation month triggered the quarter. And we've taken out, what is this level? Nothing too significant. So let's draw the broadening formation here. Slight higher highs, 2-2 reversal 3 weeks ago. That guy. Back through the broadening formation, taking out these guys and these guys. So we will see what they want to do next week. I'm not going to be the first one in to a weekly long, that's for sure. So kind of probably will be very light on Monday. Not looking to just take weekly hammers when all time frame continuity is down, and we have this sort of pretty major pivot low down here. So We'll see. We shall see. IWM hit a new all-time high last quarter. 2-2 reversal this quarter. Didn't quite hit magnitude. So again, this is another reason why I would not just want to be in long. I want to take out these lows. I'm pretty sure the futures took out that low. 8,524. Trying to think of the continuous. Oh, RT. I forgot the Y. Yes. So RTY actually did take it out. So maybe IWM will reverse nicely. We'll see. But our bigger broadening formation on RTY is this guy, which would trigger a 2 up, 2 down year. And there's your broadening formation, right? High, low, new high. Did not hold above the new high, so coming back in. So we would look to take that out. Okay, I'm going real slow. Apologize. The Dow triggered the quarter from the month, so still good. Would like to see him take that guy out. Nowhere near a weekly reversal, so I'd really like to see us go 2 down and go and take that guy out. XLE, energy sector, inside quarter, failed 2 down on the month, so potential outside month. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Outside month. And we have a nice 3-1. So for energies, we want to see them go 2 up and hit this magnitude, 93.02, giving us our outside month magnitude. And your broadening formation would look like you made a lower low. This is going to be really ugly, but we're back into the range. So we want to go take this out. So that would be our target for XLE, 93.02. XBI, 3-2 quarter in force, 2 up, 2 down month, not in force currently. But you can see the bigger broadening formation. So even though we have an inside week, I do not want it to the upside because of this broadening formation. I want to go trigger the year because you have your high, low, new high. We want to make a new low. So maybe it's not this week that it happens. Maybe what happens is we go 2 up this week and then 2 down to trigger the year and finish off this broadening formation. That would be ideal for me. Gold. When the market's scared, they buy gold. So you had a monthly inside and up 3 months ago. Still good. You had a 3-1, 2 up last week. Still good. So they are buying gold. XLU looks very similar to XLE, right? So they trigger the month down, do not stay in force, inside week. We're trying to go up there. That's your target. And you can see your broadening formation. You made a lower low. So now we're looking for the higher high. This is what we call internal broadening formations. They also took the quarter and also failed that. So you also have potential for an outside quarter, meaning magnitude up here, right? Let's see your broadening formation, high, low, new high, new low, new high, new low, back into the range, trying to go make a new high. Love this stuff. XLB, We got a 2 up, 2 down quarter in, month in force. Would want to go back down to trigger, re-trigger the quarter, because our monthly magnitude is down there. Right? 2 up, 2 down, magnitude. 8304. XLI, inside month and down, which triggered the quarter, the 2 up, 2 down quarter. Same thing as the last chart. Want to see him go back down. The dollar had a reversal 2 months ago, 2 up, 2 down, and has hit a major target. But the bigger Browning formation is to trigger the year. So low, high, new low, new high, reclaiming said high, coming back in. We want to see them come all the way back down here and trigger the year. XRT, just beautiful. Rev Strat quarter, 2 up, 2 down, bang, bang, bang. Triggered the year. Insight. Okay, let's look at the yearly chart real fast. Yearly magnitude. Here, here. Got a little inside day. Maybe they go inside down to reconfirm. XLF, pretty much a failed 2 up quarter because you're not above the previous quarter's high. Big outside 3 on the month. Magnitude for XLF is down here. So again, just because you see a hammer doesn't mean just trade it, right? We want to look for signals that will come back down and give us our Browning formation target of 4704. XLP already went outside quarter, red 2 up month. So now they're trying to go what? Outside month. Wrong one. We're going to change this line outside month. Right? And that's also a pivot low. So still looking to come down here. Look at this Browning formation. This is really nice too. High, low, new high, new low, new high, coming back down because we can't stay above the highs. So this is how Browning formations work. We love it. XLV, inside quarter, outside month already. The week hit its magnitude this week. 2 up, 2 down. Take out the pivot lows. Nothing really to do on this chart. XLY triggers the quarter. Hits this major pivot there. So on Monday, they're going to confirm or negate. So inside and up would negate because the quarter is not in force. Inside down would confirm, putting the quarter back in force, right? But if we're inside and up, we are not confirming the quarter. We are negating. But not a lot of weekly actionable signals this week. XLK, outside quarter, 3-2 month in force. Yes, this is a hammer week. Still would like to see him take out this pivot target here at least, but we have taken out a bunch of stops. So we've taken out these guys, all those guys. Basically, anybody who's been long since September just got taken out the past couple of weeks. SMH, outside quarter, 2-2 continuation week. We did take out this pivot low, so I do really like SMH for next week. The bigger broadening formation, though, would be to go lower and take out this. So we can draw it. But we are at short-term magnitude, or short-term exhaustion risk. So we could get a 2-2 back up. And I feel like that weekly is pretty attainable. So SMH, your NVIDIAs, AMDs could probably hit the 235 target, I would say. Bitcoin. I mentioned back here 2 weeks ago that I wanted to see a reversal back up and through the broadening formation, but we didn't get it. So we never traded above this candle's high. We never triggered the hammer. So inside, 2 down in green. So now we're at downside exhaustion. The week rolls over in 5 hours and 15 minutes. So I still want to see this. So this would be a ref strat. 1, 2 down, taking out the lows. So anybody who had been long any of this week, just got taken out. So we'd want to see that reverse and then them come and reclaim the broadening formation, go back through it. So that becomes exhaustion because it's a major pivot. And we'd be looking for this as T1. There's probably some other stuff there on the daily. There. But if you view it as a range, which we're talking about a lot, swing low, swing high, drag it over. You guys see me post this on Twitter all the time. When we fail one side of the range and start coming back through, we're trying to go to the other side of the range. Again, this is all about broadening formations and how they work. So currently you are just stuck inside 2 days inside this one daily candle. So if you're a crypto trader, you want to take the Rev Strat week up. I know Alex is very excited about XRP, Ripple. Actually, let's pull that up real fast. I had a friend asking me if they should buy Ripple when it was like right here. And I was like, nope, wait till we get down here. And then you can buy it, or you can buy more if we get down here. And you can see what happened. We took out here, high, low, new high, new low, new high, new low. So now we want to see the new high. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful chart. Oop. Okay, well, I was done with Ripple anyway. All right, VIX, what happened? Exactly what was supposed to happen. What happened? So we knew that we had a potential for an inside and up quarter, and we had a double inside month. So long since 2240, targeting the quarter trigger 2832. Then what happened after that? So if you were in from the month, wow, 26.5%. That was the magnitude. That was the target. Then once you hit the target, then you don't know. So then on this 2 up, you got to get out. Then flip short, which we did actually in the Discord. So technically you wouldn't have made all of that. You would have made like 17%, which is still nice. And then play the other way. And yeah, that's all I got. So hope you guys have a great weekend, rest of your weekend, a great trading week. And again, please tune in with me on Friday at Ninja Trader. ask Strat questions, you know, just show up. That's what we do. We show up for each other. All right, guys, I will catch you next.